Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change the default meeting duration in Outlook so that your appointments are automatically set to the length you prefer. This is helpful for managing your schedule and avoiding back-to-back meetings. On your Microsoft Outlook dashboard, all we need to do is click the calendar on the upper left portion of the screen. As you can see, there is a meeting here with a duration of 30 minutes, from 4 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. To change the duration, we just need to double-click the meeting and update the meeting time. For example, we can set it to 5 p.m., making the duration 1 hour, as shown here. Or we can set it to 1.5 hours. Once we are done, we just click Send, and the duration is now updated to 1.5 hours. That is how we change the default meeting duration in Outlook in just a few simple steps.